Friends, today we are going to open a box of 2003 Upper Deck Manchester United Strike Force. So here are the odds, the insert cards, like the most important ones are the different makers and winning formula. They are 1 out of 42. So let's start with the first packet. Here we go. So we have Ryan Giggs, awesome legend Ryan Giggs. We have Wes Brown. We have Diego Forlan, the Uruguayan, awesome player. We have the super sub Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, currently doing managerial duties, awesome. And we have another card of Ryan Giggs. So each cards have a description about the player at the back, and we have the rules card. So no insert card till now. Oh my god, seems like this is... There we go. Okay, we have Ricardo Lopez, the goalkeeper. Another Diego Forlan card. We have Nicky Butt, awesome. We have Fabien Barthez, the French goalkeeper. And we have our first insert card, the solid gold card. Let me see what are the odds for a solid gold card. Okay, they are 1 in every 6 packs, so that is good. Move on to our third packet. Okay, here we go. That took. We have Rio Ferdinand. We have David Beckham. Awesome. He played for Real Madrid and LA Galaxy after that. And you have the Norwegian Ole Gunnar Solskjaer and my favorite player, Roy Keane. Awesome. And we have Ruud van Nistelrooy, the Dutch player. He also went on to play for Real Madrid. And again, and the rules card. Okay, so no insert card in this pack. Let's go to a fourth pack. Let me see if I can open this quickly. Pretty hard to open these packs. So we have a Phil Neville card. Awesome. We have another Ricardo Lopez. We have Roy Carroll card, the Australian. We have another Diego Forlan, and we have a True Gamers card. Awesome. Let me see what are the odds for a True Gamer. So the odds are, okay, 1 in every 22 packs. So that's a very good card that we pulled. It means that I should only get 1 out of this box, because this box only have 24 packs. So let's go to the next. There we go. Wes Brown, Gary Neville, awesome right back. Ricardo Lopez, Roy Carroll, and we have goal producers, Gary Neville. Awesome. So I'm not sure how Gary Neville is a goal producer, but yeah, he used to do that awesome run from the back, right back position. Let's see what are the odds for a gold producers. Oh, 1 in 22 packs. Awesome. So we have a nice pool still now. We have 3 insert cards out of 5 packs. For me, the most difficult part is this opening these packs. So here we go. We have a Phil Neville card. We have enter David Beckham. We have a Roadman Mr. Doyle. So it seems like we have doubles. Laurent Blanc, current coach of PSG. Let me know if anybody needs my doubles. I'm happy to give. Paul Scholes, awesome midfielder. Ryan Giggs, either of Fred Fergie's Virgins, Ricardo Lopez, Wes Brown, Michael Stewart, and I think other rules card. So we are due for one insert card. Let's see what you've got in this pack. We have John O'Shea card, Ruud van Nistelrooy, Michael Stewart, Roy Carroll, and we have laying it on the line, Rio Ferdinand card. Awesome. This card looks much better than the others, like greenish. Awesome. Let me see the odds again. So yeah, 1 in every 16 packs will get laying it on the line. So let's open another pack. Seems like again it's kind of there we go. So being a Manchester United fan was tough for the last year, the David Moyes era. This year we are into the Champions League, so hopefully expecting much better from Louis van Gaal for the next year. So here is Nicky Butt, Fabian Barthez, and we have the solid goal, David Beckham. Awesome. Let me open another pack. So we have a Nicky Butt card, we have a Laurent Blanc card, we have Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, we have another Laurent Blanc card with David Beckham, and the rules card. I don't know why these rules card are coming again and again. Yes. We have Nicky Butt card. We have Gary Neville. We have David Beckham. We have Paul Scholes. We have John O'Shea and Gary Neville. Again, and the rule card. Let's open one more packet. There we go. Michael Sylvester, Rio Ferdinand, Wes Brown, June Sebastian Veron, the Argentinian, was not a hit at United. And we have a clutch player, Ruud van Nistelrooy. Awesome. So I believe clutch players are of 1 in 16 packets. So it seems like we got most of the inserts. It is kind of promised in the packet. Let's open another one. Okay, we have Diego Forlan, we have Ruud van Nistelrooy, Laurent Blanc, Michael Sylvester, and laying it on the line, Phil Neville card. Awesome. So the green card, awesome. Seems like the green cards are laying it on the line. They are 1 in every 16 pack. So I believe we have beaten the odds here. Awesome. Let me open another packet. Okay, we have Juan Sebastian Veron again, the Argentinian, Roy Keane, Irishman, Dutchman, Nistelrooy, Michael Stewart, Diego Forlan, and another rules card. Oh, okay. Let's go to the final few cards, few packs. So I'm gonna open. Let's see what we have got. We have John O'Shea. We have Sebastian Veron again, Nistelrooy, Michael Stewart, and Diego Forlan. So this will be the final packet that I'm gonna open in this video. Hopefully we'll get an insert card. So you have Roy Keane, Roy Carroll, Phil Neville. Oh, again a Phil Neville, 2 cards. And we have gold producers, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Awesome. So these are the hits. We have a goal producer, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. We have laying it on the line, Phil Neville. We have clutch player, Ruud van Nistelrooy. We have David Beckham, a solid goal. We have laying it on the line, Rio Ferdinand, Gary Neville. Goal producers, 2 gamers, Rio Ferdinand, and solid goal Ryan Giggs. Awesome. So I believe like I've got enough inserts from this box. So thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.